Hi friends, welcome to JSN Maths Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the 8th problem of exercise 5.2, that is of quadratic equations. Let us observe a question. Two trains leave a railway station at the same time. The first train travels towards the west and second train travels towards the north. First train travels 5 km per hour faster than the second train. If after 2 hours they are 50 km apart, then find the average speed of each train. See, after reading the question, you should understand that two trains start from the same railway station, that means same initial point, but in that first train travels towards the west and second train travels towards the north. They mention that after 2 hours, the distance between these two trains is 50 kilometers. And they also mention that if the first train travels 5 km hours faster than the second train, that means speed of first train is 5 km more than the speed of second train. That means if we suppose speed of second train, as x kilometers per hour, then what would be the speed of first train? Then speed of first train is x plus 5 kilometers per hour. Now here both trains travels in how much time? 2 hours. That means first train travels 1x plus 5 kilometers per hour. But how many hours it has traveled? 2 hours. Then distance covered by first train in 2 hours is equal to 2 times of x plus 5. Then in the same manner, distance traveled by hours covered by second train in 2 hours is equal to 2 times of x. That means first train travels towards the west. This is north side. So this distance is 2 times of x plus 5. This distance is what? 2x. Then if you observe this is in the shape of right angle triangle. So if you apply Pythagoras theorem, we can write that hypotenuse square, that is hypotenuse means what? 50 kilometers square is equal to base square. That means the distance covered by first train in the 2 hours, that is 2 times of x plus 5 base square plus height square. Height is what? The distance traveled by second train in 2 hours, that is 2x whole square. By this we can write it as 2500 is equal to 4 of x square plus 25 plus 10 plus of 4x square can be written. This can be written as 4x square plus 100 plus 40x plus 4x square is equal to 2500. On simplifying this can be written as 8x square plus 40x plus 100 is equal to 2500. Now if you write all these terms aside, this can be written as 8x square plus 40x minus 2400 is equal to 0. Then I am taking 8 as a common. This can be written as 8 of x square plus 5x minus 300 is equal to 0. Then after sending this 8 to other hand of the equation, it becomes 0 by 8. Then it 0, so that you get a quadratic equation as x square plus 5x minus 300 is equal to 0. This is a monoquadratic equation. Why? Because whose the coefficient of x square is equal to 1. Now for this we have to factor the constant term. What is the constant term here? Here 300 minus 300. This constant term minus 300 we have to write it as a product of two numbers and whose sum gives you b, that means coefficient of x, that is 5. So you have to write this as a product of two numbers and on adding them you should get 5. So can we write 300 as in such manner? Means yes, we can write 300 as 20 into 15, that is 300, but we should get minus 300. So which part we have to take as, that means which number we have to take as a positive and which number we have to take negative, means that is depends upon coefficient of x term. What is the coefficient of x term? Positive. If coefficient of x term is positive, greater number should be taken as positive term and smaller number should be taken as negative. That means plus 20 into minus 15 is equal to minus 300. Then 20 plus of minus 15 is equal to plus 5. That means this 5 we are writing as this 5x we are writing as an 20x minus 15x minus 300 is equal to 0. Now here we get 4 terms. In these 4 terms we will take first 2 terms as one group. In the first group we can take x as a common, so that this can be written as x of x plus 20. Then in this we can take 15 as a common, so that minus 15 as a common, so that we get as an minus 15 of x minus 20. So x plus 20 will get, then is equal to 0. On observing this, again we can take x plus 20 as a common. So on taking x plus 20 as a common, this can be written as x plus 20 of x minus 15 is equal to 0. Now in this case, product of these two numbers is equal to 0 means either any one of them should be equal to 0. That means x plus 20 is equal to 0 or x minus 15 is equal to 0. Now from this you get x is equal to minus 20, then x is equal to 15, and we assume that speed of a train as a x, so speed won't be in the negative terms, so this answer is negligible. So what is the x value? That is 15. If x value is 15, what is the speed of first train? Speed of second train is equal to x is equal to 15. Then speed of first train is equal to x plus 5, that is equal to 20 kilometers per hour. We are also kmph. So these are the required values. Thank you friends for watching this video.